big night tonight for our LS Swap C10 Stanley there. We are making a big upgrade. I'll just show you here. Woo! I'll give you a better picture now of the what the harness looks like, but Steve and I are gonna get this thing put in here in just a minute, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to fill the transit fluid and all that kind of stuff, and then do burnouts. Damn it, I just want to do some burnouts. So let's get to it. All right, so let's have a discussion for a minute. So on my old harness, this is the factory Tahoe fuse panel that I pulled my donor from, okay? Leaving all this in here. Now I know I could have cleaned this up, but I didn't. You actually plug in a couple of the pins over here to make it work, and I had those in there. They're all off now. But all of that is fit into this now. So you can see that's probably the biggest difference, obviously besides my crazy wiring stuff, but that's the biggest difference between the two. So we've got our power for 10, 25, 25 for the fuses to give us power for all the stuff. We've got fans, fuel pump, and the main switch, and then all of the little pieces here are done as well. So torque converter control, OBD2 sensor, which I already have ran out here. We've got electronic speedo, electronic tach, which I don't have hooked up. Check engine light. I mean, little things like that. We've got these wires here for cruise control, which I don't have hooked up right now, but we've got the tach. So, tach module. So, anyways, I'm fixing to throw it back in and show you how much better it looks. Alright guys, we have to fix the alternator plug here. On the new harness, it is the 3-wire plug. On the old harness, it's the 2-wire plug. The blue wire does nothing, so I'm going to cut it and tape it off and move to the old plug. Alrighty guys, one more issue we got here. Pretty easy though. We have a male-on-male connector here. And unfortunately, in cars, that doesn't work. So I'm going to pull this O2 sensor out and wire it in with our female plug here so we can plug into the harness like that. I've already confirmed the wires match with the plug, so we'll have no problems there. So we'll do that.
The ladies all wear sunglasses, which never stops anyone see their eyes. Inside the grate is red painted fingernail hand.
Alright guys, it is wired up. I'm going to build a bracket for this to hold the battery in place. You can see it is much cleaner now than it was. This wire that runs across here in the back is for my blinkers. I've just got to get it ran up under the hood. So. But all right, we're going to see if it'll start. So we have fuel pump. We have clicks. Uh-oh. No, we don't think it'll start. It's time to put some trans fluid in it and drive it with the new converter. All right, guys, so here's what we got. So Kevin Hensley said to put 8 quarts of fluid in it and then have somebody start it. So we're gonna have our buddy John here, a neighbor, to help me put the trans in. We're gonna have him jump in and start it, and I'm gonna pour these in as soon as he starts it. So if you don't do that.
Here we go.
Episode. John and I drove it down the road, but I was using my phone for the gauges for the OBD Fusion, so I wanted to make sure everything was going good. I want to say thanks to Todd and LSX-harness.com or SNS Performance. My fan works perfect, comes on at 185 just like it's supposed to. Everything looks 10 times better, and I mean it starts and drives and does everything right. So that's what we were hoping to do with these updates. So anyways, next video for Stanley, we'll be driving it, burnouts and leaving on the converter, so we can see kind of where it stalls and things like that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. Thanks.